Can't do it. Hey y'all, look who I got behind me. I can't do it. You can't see her. Not yet. It's lost on land. In her van. Lost on land here, y'all. Is it going? Is it working for you? Hey guys, how's it going? Lost girl here and Trailblazer, my mama. So I didn't really get to do a whole lot of video like I wanted to. I guess I was just too excited meeting Lola. So I'm going to show you the video I got, and hopefully that'll be good. Yeah, she's a pretty cool chick, so I can't wait to do some camping with her and stuff. Unfortunately, it was too windy for the drone, and I didn't get to show her as much cool stuff as I wanted to. I wanted to show her a couple fly action shots that I know that I've learned by practicing and stuff. But maybe I'll do a video here how I use my drone and stuff, and that way those that just subscribed and have a drone or just got a drone can also learn as well. And I'll post that up soon. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.